What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris, and here to show you how to take off a panel on a Honda Accord sedan. I believe it's a, hold on. This is a 2016 Honda Accord sedan. It's not in here for anything major. I mean, you can count it as major, but we are removing this door panel because the customer's little one dropped their driver's license and debit card, I believe, in this like little slot, and you need that. So, very important. The tools you're gonna need for this process is a pry tool, some panel poppers, a screwdriver, pliers as well. So we're gonna start off with removing the window switch and the door switch, as well as this little cover on the inside. So there's like a little indentation right on top. There we go. One. Cover looks like this. And on the inside, there's gonna be two little Phillips screws. Just gonna remove those. And we're gonna come to this piece right here. Start on the inside. Work your way up to the front. This switch, there's gonna be a tab right here. Just press it down and pull. Another Phillips screwdriver right here. And you gotta take this cover off also. Have it in the way. Now, what you can do is get the plastify tool. Just start prying all the edges. And what you can do is you're gonna lift up. Turn this over this way. There's gonna be three clips, and they're gonna reside right in here, and they're all metal. All you're gonna do is get this tool, just squeeze the metal clips, and then you're also going to get a pry tool, just pry it from the back. And as you're squeezing those metal clips together, you're allowing clearance for the tab to squeeze through here, and you're just gonna pop it up on all three of them, and that's easy. Okay, so that's off. Now we're gonna remove all of this, and then hopefully right inside is where that is at. So if the card fell all the way down, all I'm gonna remove is just the bottom half. The stuff is super sticky. I'm actually gonna go get a knife because I don't want to deal with that. Oh, there we go. Found it. Costco, a wholesale cart. Got that one. I'll pry this up a little more so it doesn't rip. I'm actually gonna take this plug out. It'll be easier. Okay. And I see the other cart way down here. Got a chase card. 2 cards. Just double checking, see if there's anything else left in here. Oh, And another thing, if you're interested, headlamp from Amazon. Probably the best headlamp I've ever had. You got one full light bar. You get 4 different settings. So you have fully bright, mildly bright, and then you have this single lamp on the side that's super bright. And then you have another single lamp on the side, so mildly bright. And the cool thing is, I mean, I don't use it, but there is a wireless feature, not wireless feature, but a motion sensor feature where you can do that. But the only thing is that I don't like is this. Or, yeah, see that? If I'm like looking at something, I'm trying to just go through stuff. I don't know. It's not that much of an issue, but sometimes it could be. But it's cool. So you see, I wasn't even trying to go for it. I was just trying to adjust it. So I'm adjusting. Like, hey, my head itches. Or phone call. Hey. I don't know. I'm just messing around. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's see if this sticks back together. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, I'll go get 3M tape. Get the mic stick. Should be fine. You should be fine because I didn't rip it, and this plastic cover is not in pieces, so it's fine. Just gonna put everything back in reverse order. So putting this clip back, the rubber piece fell. Put that clip back, put that in. Nothing else is taken apart, so I'm gonna grab the door again. And so when I was mentioning about those clips, those metal ones, just get the pliers. You're gonna pry here and pinch these metal clips together and get that plastic, the pry tool, and pry it from the back, and then that'll relieve the stress and just pop it right through. Super easy. Rolling down the window is gonna make it a lot easier. Get the door card in. Not worth it. So what you can do is just pop everything in. No switch. Back in this location. Make sure the door works. Inside, the outside, and then properly up here. Typically what I'll do is, also when I'm working on cars, I'll keep the yellow towel with me. I don't have my toolbox on the side of me, so got all my tools in here on the yellow towel. Nothing else should be inside the car. And that's it. Again, thanks for watching. Hopefully this little video helps on how to take the door panel off. Just again, this is a 2016 Honda Accord sedan, and what you're gonna start with, it doesn't really matter, but you're gonna start with these 3 first. Doesn't matter which order. You can start with the door switch and the window switch. Remove that Phillips screw right in here. This little panel, just pop it out, and there's gonna be 2 Phillips screws right behind it. Take those out, take this off, go around, pop the door panel off. Inside, just remove the door handle, which either way you feel comfortable with. And remove the switch, unplug it, and boom, do what you gotta do. But again, thanks for watching. Have a good day, y'all.